From the fields to the factories, where metal meets muscle, these mighty machines reshape how our world harvests and builds. Watch as earth-shaking engines, razor-sharp blades, and futuristic I join forces to do the impossible. This is Mighty Machines, where innovation never sleeps. Meet the Class Jaguar 1000, the beast that redefines forage harvesting. Packing up to 1,110 horsepower, this machine devours fields with a mind-blowing throughput of 500 tons per hour. Its advanced VMAX chopping drum and precision feeding system deliver uniform silage every time. Inside, the operator gets luxury-level comfort with a high-tech cab and touchscreen controls. Designed for massive dairy and silage operations, the Jaguar doesn't just harvest, it dominates. At over $650,000, this powerhouse is the symbol of speed, strength, and German engineering at its finest. Say hello to the Oxbow 940, the smart, compact, and efficient coffee harvester that's shaking up plantations around the world. It runs on a 75 horsepower tractor, yet its Dynarotor shaking system gently removes ripe cherries while protecting the plant. With a 2,000-liter collection bin, joystick controls, and adjustable picking heads, the Oxbow 940 cuts labor costs in half while doubling output. Ideal for small and medium growers, it's affordable, practical, and built for years of field duty. The Oxbow 940 making coffee harvests smoother, faster, and smarter. Here's the John Deere CH960, a true legend in sugarcane fields. Equipped with a 13.6-liter PowerTech engine pushing 485 horsepower, this harvester cuts and cleans cane with unmatched precision. Its twin-row system and advanced extraction fan reduce cane loss while maximizing tonnage, saving time and fuel on every pass. With a massive 1,135-liter fuel tank, you can work sunrise to sunset without slowing down. Meet the OMC Catch-All, the king of nut harvesting, built to shake, catch, and collect pistachios, almonds, and walnuts with ultimate precision. This twin-engine setup packs over 230 horsepower combined, running a tree shaker and receiver system that collects nuts in a single pass. With hydraulic lifts, bulk bin conveyors, and a wide mouth catching frame, it minimizes fruit loss and keeps the harvest clean. Designed for large nut farms, the OMC Catch-All can clear up to 40 trees per hour, saving huge labor costs. Powerful, efficient, and worth every penny of its $300,000+ price tag. Introducing the Ortomec 8300, the precision-engineered marvel built to harvest lettuce and leafy greens with surgical accuracy. Powered by a 74-horsepower diesel engine, this Italian masterpiece features an adjustable stainless steel cutting head and a working width of up to 1.8 meters. Its hydrostatic transmission and automatic height control let it glide through fields, slicing crops perfectly without damage. The conveyor system neatly transfers produce into crates. From lettuce to parsley, the Ortomec 8300 turns harvesting into a smooth, high-speed operation. Efficiency meets elegance. This is the Spudnik potato harvester, the muscle behind modern potato farming. Built for 4-row harvesting, it requires a 250 to 370 horsepower tractor to unleash its full potential. With an advanced cleaning system, adjustable digging depth, and soft handling belts, it minimizes bruising while maximizing yield. Its dual boom offloading design keeps production running non-stop, perfect for large-scale operations. With rugged American engineering, the Sputnik is more than a machine. It's the unstoppable force behind your next bumper crop. Here comes the ASA Lift self-propelled cabbage harvester, the Nordic powerhouse redefining vegetable mechanization. Equipped with a 4-cylinder diesel engine and hydrostatic drive, it harvests up to 1,200 cabbages per hour with precision cutting and gentle handling. Its stainless steel belts and automatic head positioning ensure each cabbage stays clean and damage-free. Operators enjoy comfort and control from a modern cab designed for long harvest days. Meet the Orchard Right Tree Shaker, the heavy-duty legend trusted by nut and fruit growers worldwide. With up to 142 horsepower and a hydrostatic drive, it grips trunks firmly and shakes off crops in seconds. Gentle on trees, tough on production. A single operator can clear 30 to 40 trees per hour, saving massive labor costs. Meet the Toothill Temperley Centipede Harvester, a revolution rolling through modern orchards. Designed in the UK, this mechanical marvel uses soft air suction cups and synchronized conveyor arms to gently collect apples straight from the ground or trees. Its self-propelled design glides effortlessly, covering up to 1.5 hectares per hour, eliminating the back-breaking work of hand-picking. Compact, nimble, and eco-efficient, the Centipede reduces bruising and labor costs, while keeping fruit pristine. When it comes to harvesting apples smarter, the Toothill Temperley truly crawls above the competition. Welcome to the future, the Tevel Flying Autonomous Fruit Picker. This AI-powered drone swarm uses computer vision and robotic arms to identify, pick, and sort ripe fruit straight from the trees. Each drone operates independently, collecting up to 10 pieces per minute with zero human touch. Tevel's system runs on electric power and syncs data to a central hub, tracking yield, ripeness, and efficiency in real time. It's futuristic, fast, and field-ready, harvesting fruit from the sky. The Tevel isn't just a machine, it's harvesting reimagined. Here's the Frumaco harvesting machine, the Spanish innovation that makes fruit picking a high-tech performance. Built for citrus, apples, and olives, it features a hydraulic platform and vibration-based collection arms that shake fruit loose with surgical precision. The integrated conveyor system automatically fills bins while minimizing bruising, perfect for delicate fruit. With its 150 horsepower engine and ergonomic operator cabin, Frumaco machines deliver non-stop productivity in any orchard. Durable, efficient, and beautifully engineered. Frumaco turns harvesting into an art form. Say hello to the slide crab, the specialist in fine herb harvesting. This compact yet powerful machine glides over the rows with razor-sharp blades, cutting parsley, coriander, and spinach at adjustable heights. Powered by a hydraulic system and precision belt conveyors, it ensures clean, uniform cuts. No dirt, no damage, just fresh greens. With stainless steel construction and a working width of up to 1.5 meters, It's perfect for delicate herbs and small vegetable farms. Fast, clean, and efficient. The slide crab proves that even the smallest crops deserve mighty machines. Introducing AMB Rousset, the French engineering genius behind next-level nut and fruit handling. This multifunctional harvester and processor automates sorting, cleaning, and conveying for almonds, walnuts, and hazelnuts. With high-capacity conveyors and air separation systems, it keeps output clean and consistent, ready for drying or packaging in one go. Its robust hydraulic build and modular setup mean it can handle tons of nuts per hour with minimal maintenance. Durable, efficient, and built to last. AMB. Rousset turns every harvest into pure productivity. Say hello to the Oxbow 9140, the world's most advanced raspberry harvester. Designed for both fresh and processed fruit, it features soft touch picking systems that gently remove berries while protecting the plant. The 9140 comes with a twin conveyor setup and real-time cleaning system to deliver pristine berries with minimal waste. With a 150 horsepower engine and ergonomic operator cabin, it's built for long hours in the field without fatigue. Fast, gentle, and dependable. The Oxbow 9140 keeps your harvest sweet and your business growing. Here's the Technofruit CF105, the Italian-made platform redefining fruit picking efficiency. Fully self-propelled with a hydraulic lift system, it allows multiple workers to pick and pack fruit simultaneously. Adjustable conveyors carry fruit directly into bins. No ladders, no downtime, just pure flow. With a top speed of 3 kilometers per hour and smooth steering, it's perfect for apples, pears, or peaches. Precision-built and incredibly efficient, the Technofruit CF105 transforms orchards into perfectly synchronized harvest zones. Meet the De Pietri FR38 ECO, the ultimate eco-friendly lettuce harvester built for precision and performance. Powered by a diesel engine, it features a 1.8-meter cutting width and adjustable conveyor belts that move lettuce gently to crates. The FR38 ECO can harvest up to 10,000 heads per hour, all while maintaining consistent quality and clean cuts. Lightweight, efficient, and low maintenance, it's the go-to machine for leafy green growers worldwide. With Italian craftsmanship and unbeatable efficiency, the De Pietri FR38 ECO makes every harvest smooth and sustainable. From lettuce to lumber, from drones to diesel, these machines keep the world moving, one harvest at a time. Precision, power, perfection. You've just witnessed the mighty machines in action. Hit subscribe and keep the engines roaring.